Maybe that is why people do not remember their first few years as children. Haha.
I hope everyone is safe and take all the necessary precautions to avoid any danger.
The prompt is specially constructed so that Digit can interpret the response of the LLM.
My multifaceted persona and collaborative art with scientists.
Number 10. Ocean 1. Robotics scientists at the USS Stanford University achieved a remarkable first. They successfully sent an automated avatar, which they describe as a robo-mermaid, down to an ancient shipwreck to retrieve a vase from the sunken vessel. La Lune, the flagship of Louis XIV of France, sank 20 miles off the south coast of Toulon in 1664. Only a few dozen of the hundreds of men on board survived. The wreck, which lay at a depth of 100 meters, had never been disturbed until the Ocean 1 robot craft reached it and recovered the grapefruit-sized vase. The humanoid diving robot was piloted using virtual reality techniques by a professor of computer science at Stanford. Sitting on a boat on the surface, he used joysticks to control the little underwater craft. He said that combining human skills with a robo-mermaid's robust structure will transform underwater exploration. Number 9. Digit. Digit is a bipedal humanoid robot developed by Agility Robotics, a company based in Oregon, USA. It was unveiled in 2017 and is designed to perform various tasks in indoor and outdoor environments. Digit stands approximately 1.75 meters tall and weighs around 82 kilograms. It has a sleek white and black design with a pair of arms and legs, each equipped with multiple degrees of freedom, allowing it to move and navigate in complex environments. The robot has sensors and cameras that enable it to perceive and understand its surroundings. One of the primary goals of Digit is to assist in tasks that are considered too dangerous or difficult for humans. It is capable of walking on uneven terrains, climbing stairs, and navigating obstacles in its path. The robot has a payload capacity of about 18 kilograms, which allows it to carry and transport objects. Number 8. Astra. Apptronic's creation, Astra is an exceptional humanoid robot that pushes the boundaries of robotics and artificial intelligence, representing a significant breakthrough in human-robot interaction. With seamless integration of cutting-edge technology and a sleek design, Astra emerges as a versatile and dynamic robot capable of various applications. Standing at an impressive height of 5.5 feet, Astra boasts a human-like form factor meticulously crafted to navigate and interact flawlessly in human environments. Its lightweight yet robust build facilitates fluid movements, allowing Astra to perform intricate tasks with precision and grace. Equipped with sophisticated sensors, including LiDAR cameras and force sensors in its hands and feet, Astra possesses an advanced sense of perception and spatial awareness. This heightened awareness enables the robot to adapt adeptly to diverse environments while skillfully avoiding obstacles. Number 7. Optimus. Optimus integrates with Tesla Autopilot software, along with the right cameras to work as per the neural network for its FSD or self-driving software. Its neural network works like a human brain in Tesla's self-driving EVs to analyze the surroundings through integrated cameras. It also determines what one needs to do when struck with some obstacles by labeling and recognizing different images and routes. Elon Musk mentioned that Optimus also lets users download their personality into it. They can do so by downloading some of their brain characteristics into the robot, including some of their personality traits. Although this feature is not meant to replicate everything you do or like, it will help you preserve your precious memories for life. Number 6. Toyota THR3. THR3 is Toyota's exploration of advanced technologies to meet unique mobility needs. It has evolved from instrument-playing humanoid robots to a platform capable of safely assisting humans in various settings, including homes, medical facilities, construction sites, disaster areas, and outer space. The partner robot team aims to create friendly robots that coexist with humans and assist in daily life. The core technologies developed for THR-3 will advance future robot mobility. THR-3 is controlled via the Master Maneuvering System, allowing instinctive operation with wearable controls for hand, arm, and foot movements, and a head-mounted display for the user's perspective. Master arms provide full joint motion control, and the master foot allows the operator to move the robot forward or laterally while seated. Self-interference prevention technology ensures smooth interaction between the robot and the user. Number 5. Vyomitra. Vyomitra was designed and developed by the Indian Space Research Organization to fly aboard unmanned test missions ahead of the Gaganyaan human spaceflight mission. IISU successfully integrated Vyomitra with a computer brain, which enables it to read control panels aboard the unmanned test flight and communicate with the ISRO ground stations. The AI-enabled robot is designed to fly aboard a rocket, withstanding vibrations and shock during the flight. It has been designed to resemble a human with facial expressions and speech and sight capabilities. It has a certain level of intelligence. What the developers intended is that it should operate and read the display panels and communicate back to them using its own voice. Vyomitra, the $2 million robot, will fly aboard the first unmanned test flight ahead of the crewed Gaganyaan flight expected in 2024. Number 4. Next Stage. Next Stage is a humanoid robot developed by Kawada Robotics, a robotics company based in Japan. The Next Stage robot is designed for industrial and commercial applications, particularly in manufacturing and research settings. Next Stage is designed to resemble a human in terms of its physical structure and range of motions. It stands at approximately the height of an average person and has arms with multiple degrees of freedom. It is a bipedal humanoid robot, meaning it has 2 legs and is capable of standing and walking on 2 feet. Its humanoid design allows it to navigate and interact with human-oriented environments, making it suitable for tasks that require human-like dexterity and mobility. One of Next Stage's standout features is its dual-arm design. It has 2 fully articulated arms with 7 degrees of freedom each, which gives it a wide range of movement and the ability to perform intricate manipulations. It is capable of handling significant payloads, which makes it suitable for tasks that involve lifting and manipulating objects of varying weights. The robot is equipped with high-precision actuators and sensors, enabling accurate and repeatable motion control. This level of precision is essential for tasks that require precise positioning and manipulation of objects. Number 3. GPT-3 Robot. GPT-3, also referred to as Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is an advanced AI model developed by OpenAI for language processing tasks. Its remarkable capabilities in generating text resembling human language find applications in language translation, modeling, and chatbot text generation. With an impressive scale of 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 stands as one of the largest and most powerful language processing models to date. Notably, GPT-3 is famous for its role in creating ChatGPT, an exceptionally capable chatbot. Though it excels in text-related tasks, GPT-3 lacks the ability to generate videos, sounds, or images. Nonetheless, it demonstrates a profound understanding of written and spoken language. In a recent interview, GPT-3 engaged in a human-like conversation about reality, which evolved into a discussion about God. Number 2. Ada. Ada, a humanoid robot artist, takes her name from renowned British mathematician Ada Lovelace and possesses a realistic female face. As the world's first ultra-realistic artist robot, she employs her camera eyes, AI algorithms, and robotic arm to draw and paint. Unveiled in February 2019, Ada held her inaugural solo exhibition titled Unsecured Futures at the University of Oxford, where her artwork prompted contemplation on the rapidly evolving world. Since then, she has traveled internationally and showcased her work, including a virtual exhibition at the United Nations. In 2021, she achieved another milestone with her first major museum exhibition at the Design Museum. Furthermore, during the Venice Biennale in 2022, Ada held a solo exhibition at the Consiglio Europeo dell'Arte in the Giardini. Through her art, Ada continually challenges our understanding of artists and creativity in an era influenced by post-humanist ideas. Ada has also etched her name in history by becoming the first robot to address Britain's House of Lords. During her appearance, the robot artist informed the lawmakers that despite lacking biological life, she is still capable of producing art, showcasing the unique fusion of technology and creativity she embodies. Number 1. Erica. Humans are all said to lose their exclusive right of possessing humor, an emotion usually attributed only to human beings. A team of research scientists from Kyoto University in Japan have developed artificial intelligence system of a robot named Erica, which can now emulate human laughter in the right amount and at the right situation. Erica enjoys the theater and animated films, would like to visit Southeast Asia, and believes her ideal partner is a man whom she can chat easily. Erica, Ishiguro insists, is the most beautiful and intelligent android in the world. The principle of beauty is captured in the average face, so I used images of 30 beautiful women, mix up their features, and use the average for each to design the nose, eyes, and so on, he says, pacing up and down his office at ATR's robotics laboratory. This means she should appeal to everyone. That's all for today, folks. See you another time.